here, I just want to use the last few minutes to thank everyone for joining us today. And I also want to echo Joe's sentiment earlier today to reflect on our privilege in being here. I mean, the world is really full of conflicts and challenges. And, just driving here today, you can't help but hearing on the radio about what's happening in Israel and Gaza. My thoughts are really with everyone affected by that violence there, and I feel very fortunate to be here today and to try to focus on, what we love and what we devote ourselves to, and in knowledge, in discovery, and in helping the world. So I want to take the opportunity to thank all speakers today. I think everyone has done a fantastic job, and I was really struck by both the breadth and the depth of the talks. And you have heard, how research from age-related neural stem cells in human neurons and why human neurons has the desire to grow, develop slowly to brain adaptive GPS. How does that GPS work in our brain, in mouse brain, to higher cognitive functions such as vision and reading, to how brain reacts to stroke, and how to use brain and machine interface and neuroprosthetics to help patients, to all the way to impact of education on brain development. That's a really wide topic, range of topics, right? But I'm also completely blown away by the depth of everyone's work. I think this is because we're all deep-rooted fundamental scientists. We're interested in basic science, and I think it takes both the depth and the breadth to solve neuroscience, right? Because this is really a field that involves genes, molecules, but then also cells, circuits, and something that we don't know about interacting with the body. So it takes a village to understand this very challenging question. Special thanks to Corey and Clara for that very exciting visionary piece. And I want to also, of course, thank all the entire the Tsai Neuro staff. And an event of this size and complexity requires many, many people's effort. And I know all the staff has contributed to today's success. So special thanks are needed for a few staff members without whom today will just not be possible. So first of all, Kiara Paglia, I'm sorry, I always, and thanks Kiara. I have personally picked these flowers for you. I mean, from the bucket. Thank you. Emily Elrod. Is Emily here? Donna Brown. Okay, I think they're probably still outside. Yeah. Hold your applause. Okay, Victoria Hernandez, who compiled the historic data on the Institute, which Nick Weiler skillfully folded into an engaging 10-year report. Thank you. Nick? While you guys were still working hard outside, I wanted to thank you, Emily, for all your hard work. Yes. You got the tulips. Thank you. And where is Donna? She's at the desk. Okay, we'll bring the flower. And Julia Diaz. Roses for you. And last but not least, this would not have been possible without Joe. Okay, Joe has been, I feel like Joe has been the mastermind, I'm the puppet. So, Joe, please. I'm done here, so please enjoy the posters and the reception. Thank you.